Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to build DataLogger in FactoryTalk Optix. I'm going to show you set up log database store, log your PLC tag, and display your data on the screen. Let's get started. First, I create this program, okay? Then if you want to do DataTalk, first you should go to the DataStore. Setup is database, okay? Go to the DataStore, right click, build new database, okay? Is embedded database, first one, okay? They have two databases. One is embedded database, other one is ODBC database. Today we just talk the embedded database, okay? This one. Then go to Logger, create a new DataLog, okay? New DataLog. First, we should set up its communication. We use OPC UA. New one. Okay. Then is OPC UA endpoint. We use Schneider OPC UA endpoint. Okay, go to that dashboard, configuration communication check. Okay, this OPC UA. Next is online. Okay, we choose all the stuff. Next. Okay, in here you can see all the tag. We just use this tag. Variable 1, variable 2, okay? Okay. In here, DataLog, grid, double click here. You can see is DataLog. We create OPC UA. Okay, OPC UA. Go to here, object, okay? This one we start. We choose variable 1 and the variable 2. Okay, apply. You can see in here is the variable log, okay? Click here. Here we just float, okay? This float 1. Select is variable 1 is in here. Real, okay? This variable 1, variable 2 is real. So we just use float. Second one, we check, we choose float. That's it. Then in here store, we can see is database. In here, okay. We drag the database, go to the store, okay. That's it. Then we create new panel. Okay, new panel. In new panel, we to label, just a display, okay, display to variable. Okay, then we choose connection, the variable, okay, go to OPC UA, go to the here, is variable 1 and the variable 2, okay. Then we go to type view, go to use interface, we go to data control. You can see DataGrid, okay. In here, just DataGrid. Okay, so here's the display data. Then we go to the use interface. We should create button is refresh button. If you no refresh, it doesn't disappear. Okay, it doesn't come out. Then is refresh. Okay, then go to the mouse click event, double click here. Only here is UA DataGrid. You can see refresh. Okay, that's it. Okay, here everything is okay. Now we should DataLog is a DataLogger. Okay, drag come here. Here is the timestamp log time. We can change this name if you want. Okay, doesn't matter. Okay, if you want to change this name, you can change it here. Okay, we don't do this variable 1, variable 2. Okay, now we should create panel. Oh, this one is panel. Okay, already we create the screen. Go to here, double click here. Okay, hold, stretch. Date. Log. That's it. Then create is the navigation panel. Scratch, stretch, vertical alignment, stretch. Okay, then we drag the panel. This panel go to here. Okay, that's it. We can try save. We can try. Okay. Look, it display. Now we can start the PLC. You can see this display, refresh. Look, it's coming. Okay, this date is coming. It's coming. Okay, that's it. This one display is okay. Just create DataLog. You click here. Okay, you should choose what's the tag you want to display. Okay, database, just should the connection. That's it. Thank you very much.